Good morning, team. It's a wonderful day here at the water park. I am working on wave pool today. All right, we kind of did this last year, but I'm doing something different. You'll see it's nice and dirty, this wall. What it is we tried to sandblast it. The plan was that we were going to sandblast the whole thing and then paint it with pool paint. Here's the problem. The Ecofinish is stuck really well to this stuff. And the only way to really get it off is that we have to go into the aggregate. Now, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. So, we're going to try something else to get this wall into a pretty color. I'm going to first clean it really well with CLR. I'm going to scuff it with the wire brush as best as I can. And then I'm going to come back and acid wash it. Light acid wash. Probably 1-to-1. Along with the CLR will be 1-to-1 as well. That'll prep it, and then we will wash it down, make it nice and clean, and then we'll try and paint it. We're using a medium level or about a mid-tier paint product, just because if it fails, I don't want to have to, have dumped a bunch of money into this. But we have to get rid of some points that are going to be a problem. So like this right here. So this is a problem we're gonna have to get rid of. Now the hope is that when I pressure wash it, it'll come off, or when I'm brushing it, it'll come off with the wire brush. We tried to use a wire brush on a grinder gun, but if you look here, all it did was kind of like spread it. Okay, that's all it did, and it melted it. Okay, I got a little bit of work here done, but it wasn't much. So we're gonna try this. I've been told many times you cannot paint on Ecofinish. However, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try here. Hey, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, okay, we try again next year. We'll come up with something. Anyway, all right, team, that's what's going on today. We do have a lot of work done. You can see the lights are still hanging out. We haven't received them. We're hoping for Wednesday. That's tomorrow. Hopefully we can get this done. Before then, we have a lot of things that still need to be done with wave pool. Needs to be pressure washed completely. We have a pump that the motor was kind of messed up on. We got a new motor for it. It's already stabbed on the pump, but it's not in the pit. And then I have one more blower that's at service that is being worked on right now. So hopefully we have everything in the next 7 or 8 days. We have a lot of work to do, but let's get this done. That's one thing off the list. Join me. Well, team, whew, that was a lot of work. But as you can see, that wall doesn't look too terrible. But what we have seen with this Ecofinish product, you can see it's got two different colors. This has been a big topic on whether this is a calcium buildup or is this the pool shell fading because of use of calcium hypochlorite, which is the chlorine we use. Now, as you can see, there's layers. It's cut off right there. That's the back of it. Right? So I tend to think that the top surface is just fading. That's not calcium buildup. Because if you just notice what I did, this is what I did. Okay, I took CLR and I scrubbed the whole thing with a big brush, that big old brush. By the way, if you ever need a big brush, get a polisher, and then that big brush is called a drill brush industrial. I got it on Amazon, 7-inch, and it fits on the buffing machine with no problem. I washed the entire, I cleaned the entire thing by hand with the gun, with the wheel, and then I came back and I went with CLR and a wire brush on a stick, and you can see I was able to get a lot of it up. Man, it wasn't great. Then I went back with a 1-to-4 acid wash. Now, it might be hard to see now, but we can probably look in the video. It has yellowed this surface a little bit. It's yellow, just a little bit, okay? And that's just from the acid doing, you know, but nonetheless, it's semi-clean. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do it today, I'll do it tomorrow, but I'm gonna come back and pressure wash the hell out of it and try and get as much of this flaky crap off, okay? I need to get the flaky crap off. See how it's flaky right there? I need to get that off before I'm gonna try and paint this bad boy. After I get the pressure washer, I might hit it one more time with an acid wash, with a heavy acid wash, maybe the 1-to-2, and then I'll go ahead and start trying to paint it. But so far, it's looking good. I still need to try and scuff it some more. It's very smooth, and that's what I'm afraid of, that it's so smooth, the pool paint's not gonna stick to it. But we're gonna try no matter what, okay? We'll catch you on the next one. Take care, team.